Hi everybody, it's Annabelle from East Coast Mummy, and I have a fun video for you today. Fall crafts for kids. These are adorable. This first craft starts with a batch of my favorite soft and chewy ginger cookies. These are the perfect fall cookie. I have the recipe on my blog and I'll leave a link in the description below. You're going to need a package of cellophane bags. I like these ones from the dollar store because they're inexpensive and easy to find. Pop one cookie in each bag, cut the bag down to size, and seal it with a piece of tape. You'll also need a cardstock hat. I use some hot glue to attach some twine hair to mine. You'll need some buttons, some googly eyes, and a little bit of felt cut into the shape of a nose. Then grab some white glue and use it to attach all of the pieces to the bag holding the cookie. Grab a Sharpie to add a mouth, and you end up with an adorable Scarecrow cookie. It's a treat and a craft. Seriously, how cute is this? For the next craft, you're going to need this template that I designed. I will leave a link in the description below. Then you color it different colors, including designing your own shirts. Add some googly eyes with glue and a little bit of a felt nose. And then you're going to cut out all the pieces. Once the pieces are all cut out, you're going to use some tape to attach a dowel or popsicle stick to the back of the scarecrow. And that's it. Now you can use the tabs on the shirts to change the clothes on the scarecrow, and it can be a decoration or a little bit of a toy. Pretty cute, right? The next craft is a fall keychain or backpack charm. Grab some yarn in fall colors and wrap it around a piece of cardboard about 15 times. Then grab another piece of yarn and tie it to the top of the loops to attach everything together. Pull the yarn off of the cardboard, smooth it out, and grab another piece of yarn. I grabbed some yellow, tied it around the top, and then wrapped the ends in opposite directions around the tassel. Then when you get that finished, you tie the ends together and cut off the excess. Cut the loops, give it a little trim, and now you have a tassel. You can leave it like this, but I thought it would be nice to add a couple of beads to mine. I grabbed 3 beads and I used a plastic needle to attach them to my tassel. Then, when that was finished, I took the strands and attached a key ring to the top so I can attach it to a backpack or to some keys. And that was it. I hope you liked the fall crafts that I shared with you today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.